My awakening was not gentle. Shalom, family. This is not a story of a soft or peaceful awakening. My awakening was as rude as it gets. It wasn't a dream. It was a long, drawn-out fire that lasted over 20 years. During that time, every door I tried to walk through was slammed shut. Every opportunity I pursued ended in failure. One by one, all my friends disappeared. My family turned their backs on me. I lived among the homeless for 13 years, and no matter what I tried, I couldn't break free. My education couldn't get me out. My gifts couldn't get me out.
My talents, my wisdom, none of it could deliver me. I watched people live in dishonor, rebellion, and ease, while I was stuck in a nightmare I couldn't wake up from. Even now, I still feel like I was living outside of time, observing life like an outsider, invisible in a world I no longer belong to. I didn't understand what was happening to me, but now I do. Yahuah was awakening me. He was refining me. He was preparing me for battles I didn't yet know I'd have to face. He gave me no time to waste. My transformation had to be urgent. And though the journey was brutal, he gave me one great gift to walk with me. A wife, a helpmate, a woman who stood by me through every season of hardship as Yahuah was transforming me into the man I am today. Now I understand. Now my spiritual eyes are open. I see things clearly, not as the world presents them, but as they truly are. Yahuah shows me the plots of my enemies before they can act.
He reveals their secret counsels. He gives me strategies to overcome before they even move. Sometimes, he lets them get close, real close, just to show me he can defuse the bomb at the very last second. I've fought entire armies in the spirit by doing nothing but being still and trusting in Yahuah.
Now that I am awake, I am invincible in Yah. I can see in the dark because he has given me light from within. And so I say, like the psalmist said, it was good that I was afflicted, because before I was afflicted, I went astray. But now, I know the way Yahuah requires me to walk. This is my testimony. This is my awakening. It was not gentle, but it was holy.